All right, they were wanting to just replace these shingles as the tabs are broke, but do you think you can do that and be able to not damage the rest of the roof?
Get over here where I can fit.
Okay.
That won't never work.
Ooh, that's a quick leak right there.
Yeah. Replacing the shingles won't never work, Stanley. They're too wore out.
Yeah, okay.
So you fix that one and that one comes up.
Okay.
But I just tell them it won't work. I imagine all that tape around that pipe was because you had a leak there.
Yeah, this needs to be done quickly.
That should have been done years ago. Somebody taped that up to take care of a leak.
Needs you flange.
Yeah. Oh well. Yeah.
Yeah.
You get new flanges. So
Okay.
There's no way there's no passion left on it.
Yeah. And see if I pick that up trying to work a shingle under it, it's just gonna break.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That shingle's been patched in there.